Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, yesterday we were subjected to a drama between the police officers and the locals in Nakuru County. That's Naivasha to be precise, Ndabibi area. And there is a dispute about the land where the case is in court, whereby the locals are insisting that that land is their property, it is theirs. But then we have powerful individuals who also claim the ownership of the same land. And seemingly, these individuals are being protected by the government agencies. To an extent, police officers are dispatched to go and safeguard that property, chase away people. In fact, someone was injured, one of the foot. They claim that the foot has been broken. So it's a serious injury by a police officer. So with that move, we saw people who got so much angry. They staged a protest. There was a riot. To an extent, they never agreed with the police officers at any instant during that fracas.
Wamesema mtulie hivi. Wewe, tulieni hivi.
Mtulie kidogo. Niokee kidogo.
Cheki, wacha msikie venye anasema.
Kidogo. Tusikie.
Tulete oda ya ruling yake. Umeleta?
Nyuma yangu.
Jibu hilo swali.
Ati mtakuja na oda yetu ati mtaongea.
I wish ungekuwa watu wako wangenyamaza.
Tunataka kufanya na sifa zote.
Now, with all this drama, it reached a point whereby police officers could not manage to contain the situation. The locals were not willing to listen to the police officers anymore. So their demand was that the tractors that had come to till the land must go, police officers must leave, and for them they are going to remain there because that is their property. But police were demanding that the tractors should go as they have requested. But again, these people should also leave. That never happened. The locals insisted. To an extent, police officers had no any other option but to leave that property. And this is what happened.
Kijana kako na mbio. Wasipige gari mawe. Ona? Wasipige gari mawe, waache mambo. Msimugonga, msimugonga, mtakete sana. Msirushe mawe. Msirushe mawe.
Now, in all this, the issue is that we are seeing a regime that is not ready or willing to respect court orders. And there is a reciprocate going down. There is trickle-down effect here. People are also learning on how this regime is operating. Above all, when you break the law, you allow other people to do the same. And because there's no one who is coming out to protect these residents, they are learning one lesson, that they have to come out strongly and protect themselves, stand for themselves. That is it. But not depending on this government. And that's exactly what has been demonstrated in this video. So the locals stood their ground and they understand they are on their own. Depending or thinking that this regime is going to take care of your interest, protect your property, stand for you, it will never happen. Not under UDA, not anyone elected on UDA ticket will come to defend you. So it has reached a level where residents have to take law into their hands and defend themselves where necessary, because they have no any trust in this regime, a regime that chases people from their land, a regime that protects people who are grabbing property, a regime that does not take interest of the people. So with all this, Naivasha is sending a message that it will reach a time in this country whereby police will not manage to contain the situation when it comes to protest and rejection. It will reach that point, because if we check the number of police officers against the people they need to protect, we don't have enough. In as much as sending some to Haiti, we don't have enough. So this tells you that with the time, hata hawa police watafika mahali watashindwa. But the only good thing we saw there is that in as much there was protest, they never threw stones at police officers, but they stood their ground, despite the fact that one of their own was beaten and foot broken by these officers. Very sad that the people you expect to protect the people, they are the one who goes there to injure the same people. So the people of Ndabibi in Naivasha County, Naivasha, that is Nakuru County, are saying not intimidation from police officers or any individual who thinks in that line.